Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm at Astro Hill, Pattaya, a very nice village development on Tung Kong Talman Road. Now you guys asking, where is Tung Kong Talman Road? We're only 2 minutes away from Sukhumvit Road and also only 2 minutes from Patana International School. And behind me is the first show house of this village, and I'm also here to meet Pinky. Please follow me inside. So let's see if somebody is there. Aha, hello.
Welcome.
Thank you. May I come in?
Yes, please take off your shoe.
Of course. We are in Thailand, huh? Every time I have to take off your shoes.
Welcome to my new favorite house, Astro Hill.
Yes, I already briefed. We are on Tung Kong Talman Road, only 2 minutes to Sukhumvit Road.
You are very good on location now.
Exactly.
Okay, so come in. The house size is 84 square wa, so it's around 336 square meter, and living space 350 square meter, 4 bed, 5 bathroom, and 1 working room.
Very big.
Big, nice swimming pool, nice decoration, high ceiling.
And here we are in the living room.
Yes, so we start with the living room.
Yes.
Nice chandelier.
High ceiling, as you just mentioned.
At the front of the house, you will see a little garden.
Yeah, I saw. I just passed it.
Nice. And when you come into the main entrance, actually you also can entrance from the pool, but the main entrance is where you just came in. And this one is nice living room with high ceiling and nice chandelier. Have a seat.
Thank you very
with
much.
The nice big TV.
Okay, what we're watching today?
We're not turned on yet.
Okay.
The house come with fully furnished. You get everything like built-in furniture, curtain. Shall we move to next room?
Yes, I follow you. Nice, like a welcome area, living room.
Next area is eating area, dining table area.
Okay.
We set up for 6. Nice dining table with nice light. We have nice shelf for wine glass, champagne glass, cocktail glass.
Johnny
whiskey.
Walker?
Johnny.
Blue label. You need to have it inside a house like this, right?
Yeah, so you have a lot of shelf for your drink. Let's say shelf for the glass.
You can also go around here around the house.
Yes, it's just not too big like small garden around the house, so you can just open out to walk around if you love to.
Nice. And then I just see on the opposite side is the swimming pool.
Nice area. You can have barbecue or outdoor area. We have enough space this side.
Yeah, for make some barbecue. That's nice. How
Right.
big is the pool?
The pool 8 meter long, 4 meter wide.
Okay. With some LED lights inside, white tiles.
Yes.
Looks nice.
At night it's gonna be very nice because the light will change the color.
Yeah.
And white tile, of course, the water look very blue.
Okay. Nice. Modern design.
You will face another house, but it's just only on the wall of other house. Every house have the same layout like this. Next house it will face to other sides, and next house will face.
I see. Good that they don't have like too many windows. Only actually one small window for airflow looking towards the swimming pool. So it's quite private.
Right.
Swimming pool.
Right.
Okay, that's good. This one is special. First I thought it's a mirror, but actually it's a glass.
It's a glass, yes.
But certainly it's also a door.
Right. So you can close sometimes if you don't.
But it's a door where you can see through. Well, it's a special
So
kind
you
of
know
door.
in another room.
Yeah, okay.
1 bedroom at first floor, ground floor, and kitchen room and guest toilet here. 4 bed, 5 bath includes guest toilet.
Okay, so guest toilet is there. Here is the kitchen.
Kitchen come with light tone with white top granite and light wood color built in.
Quite nice, like a big kitchen. You have here like a lot of storage and you can really prepare some food on this counter.
You can cook.
Actually, you
this
can
counter.
also make here maybe a bigger stove, right? I mean, like to
Yes.
just make 4 burners. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You can.
Double sink and a lot of storage everywhere. It's good. Quite big kitchen, so it's not just like for show. You can really do some serious cooking here.
This is the door for go out laundry area. So you have like outside that you can put washing machine. Okay, now we go to bedroom.
Is this the master bedroom?
No.
Oh, it's not the master bedroom. Okay, this is just the guest bedroom here.
Yes, so I would say it's good for guests to stay here or your parents.
For
or
parents,
friend.
it's good. They don't have to take the stairs.
Right, and they have nice pool and garden view from this room.
And you even have access to the swimming pool.
Right.
Over
have
there.
The door exit to the pool.
You get everything like this with all the built-in furniture.
Decoration.
Oh, good. Looks luxury with all this marble and a little bit gold appliances. Bathroom with the shower.
Bathroom quite big, sink, toilet with American standard. You can also install the rain shower if you love to, but it
Nice
just
to
comes
have
with
it.
normal shower.
So this is the bedroom downstairs. Here is
This
another
one is
storage
storage
room. I
room.
just see. Okay, good. Now, guys, we are seeing the second floor.
Second floor.
Follow us.
There are 3 bedrooms on second floor. Before we go to all 3 bedrooms, there are 1 more room where you can decide to be working room or movie rooms.
Let's see. It's just one additional spare room. You can hear the echo because no furniture inside yet. Have some built-in like the cabinets.
So if you want to working, just have working desk.
Ah,
chair,
maybe it's
that's
nice.
it. It's nice.
Yeah.
Or if you love to watch movie, you just need to have like a big TV or big screen there, and then have a
Put
few
some sofa maybe.
armchair or sofa
Oh yeah.
to be like
Can
small
be like
cinema.
a gaming room, cinema room. Yeah.
Game also good.
Yes. Nice. So this one looks very nice here. So this is the master.
Yes.
Ah, yes. This one is a proper master bedroom. Have a lot of shelves over there.
Sofa.
Bed, of course, over here.
Important to have a bed.
in the master bedroom, exactly. This one is a nice touch, I feel like, that they put some LEDs here inside the wall. Can you also turn them off or are they always on?
You can.
Ah, that's good. And also have another LED here around the bed. They have a nice indirect lighting. And they also have, I see, a Daikin aircon in the ceiling.
Good aircon.
Here's even a sofa bed, I would say.
Yes, you can turn to be bed.
Some more cabinets. Small balcony also.
Small balcony to see pool view. Walk-in wardrobe.
Okay, very nice walk-in wardrobe. Here with some gold or rose gold. Also with automatic light.
Aha! I know this one you always like it.
For you also good that you can find your closet inside. If it's too dark, you cannot see anything.
Nice, this one you can put your bag. Gucci Prada, Louis Vuitton.
I see. And this is the master bathroom. Also nice. I would just love if they have 2 sinks. But I think you can install 2 sinks because the other house is still under construction, right? This is the first show house.
Yes, right. And the space actually is possible to be 2. You just need to divide the pipe. Yeah, this one I think not difficult.
And then I have automatic toilet.
This one is nice. Maybe
It's not
plug in
it's
yet.
not reacting to my commands here. Okay.
Maybe you need to turn on first.
We need to teach them
We just-
the way
Just
first.
leave it like this.
Okay. Anyway, it's working as a American standard smart toilet. Nice freestanding bathtub, by the way. And
One
also
more
have
shower
here
area.
on top skylight. Gives some like more bright
Natural light.
natural light inside. Exactly.
Yes, if sometimes too hot, you should take a bath quick.
Yeah, you can also use like a cold water if it's too hot. You don't have to always make steaming hot water.
Right.
And here,
One more shower.
but they will put the glasses here around later. Or they will keep it as an open shower.
I think they will keep as it is, but yeah, you can also install the glass room.
This one you guys can decide later. This is the master bedroom. 2 more bedrooms, okay?
The corridor is quite nice, not too small.
It's nice and they have a lot of windows over here. It's all is window and you can look to the swimming pool.
Yeah, you don't need a lot of light inside the house because you can just open the curtain. 1 more bedroom, come in.
Actually also a nice design of this bedroom. I never see something like this before. I think it's for the ladies' room probably.
Or children maybe.
Or children, yeah.
Nice light wood built in and matched with the wardrobe.
Looks good. And over here is the area for the TV. Also with a lot of LED lights, indirect lights. Okay, but compared to the master bedroom, this one has just like a normal wardrobe. But also
Right.
with the light.
And with the cover.
And some powder table here.
Have a small window to get the light in.
Okay, that's good.
Bathroom. Nothing special. Shower room, sink and toilet.
We can call it a bathroom.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. To the last bedroom.
Yes, also another nice design.
Different design. So this one, maybe this one is for the girl and this one for the boy. Here looks a little bit more blue, but okay.
What
you can
happens
decide.
if you have two boys?
Well, you can also put a blue bedsheet in the other room.
Yes, that can be an option. So.
Similar design here with some marble, darker wood color, not that bright. Here have the place for the TV. I feel like this one is a little bit more luxury. This one almost look like master bedroom, junior master bedroom than the
Yes.
other one, because also have some kind of like a walk-in wardrobe.
So you can call this because it's bigger. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's kind of like separated, and also of course with the light. And have some window over here as well.
Have a nice big mirror to see when you dress.
And the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom same
Yes,
I would
same
say. Same as the other one.
Other one.
We can also call it a bathroom. Okay.
Not junior bathroom.
No, this one is a proper bathroom. It's not master bathroom. It's a normal bathroom.
Okay.
Okay.
We have so many names.
I think that's it. Or you show me the rooftop terrace?
No, that's it for the house.
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, quite nice. I like it.
And the location is nice. Around here is like green area, so that's why they call Astro Hills. You can still see like little hill, mountain, green.
This is a good part. If you live on East Pattaya, still a lot of nature surrounding you. The dark side we call. Not too many light. Nah, still have a lot of light, but it's more Thai lifestyle, more local lifestyle, I would say, than Pattaya.
Right. If you like to stay someplace a little bit more quiet than Beach Road,
This one is the right
That's
place.
right.
So how much is the price? We didn't talk about the price yet.
15.9 million.
Okay.
With all fully furnished.
Okay, that's very good price.
Yes. So how much in US dollar now?
450?
Something like this.
Something like this, you can put it in the calculator. Something like this, between 450 to 500,000 US dollar.
US dollar. Yes.
Exactly. Hope you enjoy this episode and please give it a like. Subscribe to our channel would be perfect, and see you on the next episode. Thank you very much.